Good morning, my YouTube family. Y'all, look at this gorgeous look I just did. I absolutely love this palette that I'm getting ready to give away. It worked stunningly, just as stunningly. Y'all want to know how to enter it and see what else I got in my Ipsy Base bag? You know what to do. I'll see you soon. Good morning, my beautiful YouTube family, y'all. Let's do this. Ipsy Base bag, and I'm doing a little giveaway with the Murillo Twins, a beauty creation palette. This one is the Brittany palette. Absolutely stunning, stunning, stunning shades in it. I absolutely loved it. It was stunning to work with, very easily blendable. The shades just built up as deep as you want them. I loved it. So here is the palette that I'll be giving away. And then here's my palette. And if another creator actually ends up winning this, I would love to do a collab with you sometime. Let's do an eye look together with it. So this was in the Ipsy Base bag, and it is $17. And I'm going to put it aside now. I also got the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Mask. I do love this. I actually use this once a month. Not this one. Jean Louise sent me a big bottle of it, and I have it in there in my bathroom. So I'm probably going to keep this one here in the camper with me. So when we're having those hot or too hot of days to get out and rainy or whatever, I can put this on and kick back and relax. I do love this. It cleaned out my pores and it tightened my skin. I do love it very, very much. Next thing we got here is this Mirror highlighter by Half Caked. And I do have it on. Look at that. It is a beaming highlighter. Look at that. Wow, wow, wow. And if I can get it open again, I'll show you just a little thing. There's no prices on these little deluxe items, you guys, so don't know what to tell you. But I do prefer this size over a big one so it doesn't go bad. Do like that. Next thing we got is this a gray makeup brush from LaRouche, whichever you want to call it. Y'all, it's just a blending brush. You know the cost of it? $28. Just an old gray blending brush. Nothing special. Wow, 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 wow. Next thing I have is this AM to PM eyeliner by Palatte. It is a deep plummy purple, as you can see there. I did a little swatch right there for you guys. It's almost so dark that it's black, and I did use it on my lower lash line today in the makeup look that you'll be watching. I liked it. I'm probably, you know what, actually I might just go ahead and, while I got you, let's just go ahead and do this right here. It glides on quite well. I mean, very, very easily. Yeah, of course I lifted my lashes a little bit. But very easy to work with, as you can see. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. And I love the shade, as y'all know. Purple's my favorite color. And then here is our bag that we got. This little orangey one. Now, I take the bags that we receive and I fill them full of non-perishable items, socks, undies, whatever you have. We give them out to the homeless people. We give them to the schools. We give them to the churches to hand out to people. Anybody out there that doesn't want their little Ipsy bags, whether it be the big Ipsy Glam Plus bags or these little ones, go ahead and send them to me. My address will be down in the description box along with my referral link, which, get in on that, guys. I do have 5 Ipsy bags to give away through Ipsy. They're the ones that you get for free the first month, and you sign up for them. If you cancel within like the 15 days, you don't get charged anything for it. You get your free bag. So if you would like to do that, send me a DM at sunnyplemmons, or I'm sorry, it's Sunny's Place now on Instagram, and just let me know to sign you up. I will need your email so I can enter it in there for you. And I think these are available until like the 23rd. So remember, if you don't want to have the Ipsy Base bag as a continuous thing, it is $14.99 now. Make sure to cancel within just 15 days and double check that on there to see exactly how many days it was. All right, loves, I think this bag is totally worth the $14.99 that I spent, especially getting this palette. This brush, yeah, it definitely made it worth the value, but y'all, I'm not spending $26, $28 on this just gray eyeshadow brush. It's just not happening for me. And I got the eyeliner I really, really like too, and I got the clay mask I like, and the highlighter. It's It's a good bag this month. Good job. All right, for those that like to stick around and see how I did this beautiful eyeshadow look, that's what we're going to move on to. For those that just wanted to stick around and see what I got in my bag, that's the end of the video. All right, to enter into this Murillo palette giveaway, this sister's Murillo palette giveaway. Is it Brittany? Yeah, Brittany's palette. Leave down in the comment. Do you like blue or purple more? Say purple's my favorite color, or say blue's my favorite color, or use it in some type of sentence. Either the shade name blue or purple. Two of my most favorite colors. It's blue sky outside. I have a purple sloth over there. Use one of those shade names in a comment down below, and you'll be entered into the giveaway, and I will announce the winner the first week of August. All right, loves, this is part of the video where I'm going to move on into this get ready with me beautiful, beautiful makeup look. Like, oh, it is stunning. The only thing I really did different from the one that she did here, she used the lightest shade in her inner corner here, and I actually used the pink and put glitter on the top of it. Yeah, your girl put some glitter on for you today. So, I hope you enjoy the makeup look. And for now, your girl's going to go. I hope you guys are having a fantabulous week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.